Hi there and welcome to the entertainment news segment. I'm Anita Ikufu. Now, African-American tour operator and entrepreneur Rashad McCrorey has been installed as Tourism Chief of Iture, a suburb of Elmina in the central region. Nana Kofi Kukudurfo I Nserahwehen was vowed to promote African diaspora relations and boost tourism within the central region. Demands, Rashad McCrorey made his first public appearance after being locked up for days. Natives of the Iture community, a suburb of Elmina in the central region, amidst dancing and singing, came all out in support as he completed the final traditional rites. Nana Kofi Kukudurfo I Nserahwehen was afterwards introduced to the paramount chief of Elmina, Nana Kojokundi I At the historic ceremony, Nana Kofi Kukudurfo I Nserahwehen vowed to promote African diaspora relations and boost tourism.
As we build communities here and we also have cultural exchange, we can all grow. Black Americans in the United States are struggling with systematic oppression and racism. Coming to Africa, in this case Ghana, we get to express freedom of expression, brotherhood, sisterhood, and unity. And we can all build finances, prosperity, strength, and cohesion.
Nana Edu Eji is the executive director of the PanFest Foundation and a member of the steering committee of Beyond the Retail.
Yes, it is a great day, and I think that we have a lot to be proud of, that we still continue to see the coming together of our brothers and sisters from afar, from the diaspora, coming back home here to Ghana, to the ancient city of Elmina, being embraced, and this is a dream and a prophecy unfolding before our eyes. And so I think that the ancestors are very happy today to see our reunion take place. And